Dumpster rental service in Dundee, Florida. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Dundee, Florida? Dumpster Depot has you covered. Whether you're clearing out your garage, starting a home renovation, or managing a construction site, we make waste removal quick and hassle-free. Dumpster Depot specializes in convenient, dependable dumpster rentals. Every job is different, so we provide a range of dumpster sizes to fit your needs, from small bins for minor cleanouts to larger containers ideal for handling construction debris. We offer fast delivery and pickup services to keep your work moving smoothly and on schedule. Wondering why Dumpster Depot stands out? Our commitment is simple: excellent service and fair pricing. We're transparent with costs, no hidden fees, just outstanding service when needed. With our local presence in Dundee, Florida, you're choosing a team that's part of your community and ready to help you tackle any project. For dependable dumpster rental service in Dundee, Florida, Dumpster Depot is here to help. Call us at 863-330-0133 to schedule your rental and secure your reservation. With Dumpster Depot, cleanup is easy, affordable, and just a phone call away, simplifying your life.